Dedicated servers, a solution for small businesses. If you own a small business that depends a lot on web traffic to get new clients, then you know the importance of having stable, working servers to maintain your website. Good servers ensure website stability and availability, fast download speeds, high bandwidth, and data security. Dedicated servers from a hosting company is an excellent solution for a small or medium business which needs a stable website. Buying your own server, costly. A small business owner might first think about buying his or her own server for the company website and data hosting needs. However practical it may seem, buying a server has drawbacks. Firstly, the hardware itself costs thousands of dollars, and you might not have that capital on hand. Secondly, it requires space and energy to keep it running and keep it cool. Think about the hike in your electricity bill after you have to install an AC only for your server room, if you even have the space for such a thing. But besides the hardware, space, and energy costs, you need someone to maintain the server and solve problems when they arise. Not everyone is a computer technician, and not all technicians know about server management. Unless you or one of your employees already knows how to program, maintain, and troubleshoot a server, you will need to hire a new employee or use the costly services from an IT company. Of course, it depends on how many servers you plan on buying and how much maintenance you expect to require, but in the end, buying your own servers is costly and unpractical in most cases. Dedicated servers from a hosting company, a flexible solution. Having servers dedicated only to your business is a costly enterprise when done on your own. However, hosting companies can provide your small business with flexible plans for a dedicated server. Let's see what renting a dedicated server from a hosting company involves. First, when getting a dedicated server plan, you can choose between several hardware types with different bandwidth and memory capacities. The server you choose will be dedicated only to your company and will not be shared with anyone else. In short, you rent the hardware like you would rent an apartment or your business offices, for example. You can use your server just like you would one you bought. It just doesn't take up space or use electricity you pay for. Hosting companies also provide different levels of management. If no one in your company knows how to program or manage a server, then the company's employees will take care of these things for you. If you know everything you need to know about servers, or one of your employees does, then you can save money by managing your servers yourself. Hosting companies offer several plans for different needs. Don't be afraid to ask for a custom plan should you have specific requirements. Often, hosting companies will offer domain names as a bonus on renting a dedicated server. If you don't have yours yet, it might be a great time to take advantage of a promotion or a special with your hosting company. But even if you already have your domain name, it is definitely advantageous to rent a dedicated server instead of buying one, especially for small businesses with a limited budget and small office space.